Hello friends, I'm here again to talk about the most important one thing which keeps us going and provides us with the power of self-healing. It is called happiness. If we are happy, we will never need medicines or treatment. Our body will self-heal. Well, it's supposed to do it and it does it every moment, every day. So what is it that we need to do to be happy? There are these three simple rules which I tell everybody. These rules have changed my life, my perspective towards problems and how to handle them. I promise, if you follow these three rules, all your problems will vanish. If you cannot remember these points, you can see this video every day once and revise them. It will be worth it. These deeds and thoughts are life altering. So please listen carefully and remember them. Deed number 1. Accept people as they are. Well, doesn't need any explanation. Will not try and alter people and their being, and accept them as they are. So my dad is the world's best dad, my brother is the world's best brother, and they will remain the way they are. And I accept every single person in my life for what they are and for their being. Deed number 2. Whatever I do, it will be unconditional and wholehearted. This means whether it is a relationship or work at office, everything that I do will be with all my heart and without conditions. So no expectations. Deed number 3. I'll convert all my moments into happy moments. We'll start working on moments. We'll focus on our thoughts and try and think and be with options in my thoughts which are positive. So every positive thought gives me happiness. No negative thoughts means lesser sad moments. We will stay away from people, places which we don't like, and at the end of the day try and register if we made it to 90% of happy moments during the day. If we do that, our life has altered and we will always be happy. So wish you all lots and lots of happy moments. Love you. Bye.